Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PDF.js library. This open-source JavaScript library allows you to display PDF files right inside your web browser without needing any external plugins. To begin, simply include the pdf.min.js and pdf.worker.min.js scripts in your HTML file, usually within the head or before your closing body tag. This setup provides all the core functionalities needed for rendering. Once pdf.js is included, the next step is to load a document. You use PDF.js lib, get document, and pass in the path to your PDF file. For instance, you could load a document named sample.pdf. This function returns a promise, which means you need to use. Then, to handle the result asynchronously. The resolved object provides access to the document's properties, like the total number of pages. With the document loaded, you can now display its pages. First, get a specific page, for example, page number 1, using the document.getPage method. Then, you will need an HTML canvas element with a width of, say, 600 pixels and a height of 800 pixels to draw the page onto. Call the page.render method, passing in the canvas context and any desired scaling options to precisely fit your display. To enhance usability, you can add simple page navigation. Create 2 buttons, one for previous page and one for next page. Maintain a variable, let's call it current page num, to track the user's current position. When a button is clicked, update this variable and re-render the appropriate page. Always validate that the current page num stays between 1 and the document's total number of pages to prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.